When everyone is happy, that means we've done our job. And when they write to tell us they're impressed, we're excited to share the great news. We hope you enjoy this fantastic review. This kind of feedback is so important to us because it lets us know we're doing a great job for everyone, and that just motivates us even more to keep providing the best service we can for years to come. Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning these from everyone, so we want to show you how our extensive experience and superior service can help you. We're glad you had a chance to come and visit us today. Please feel free to ask us any questions.